Hello, children. Today we are going to continue the story that we were studying in the previous video. That is Lesson 3, the story of 4 seasons. So, before we start, children, let us quickly recapitulate what we have studied in the previous video. Alright? So, in the previous video, we studied that long ago the earth was always hot and dry. There was no winter. There was no spring or autumn. It was summer all the time. Each day the sun rose, shone brightly on the earth, and crossed the sky. There were no clouds to cover the hot sun and provide shade. The grass was dry and brown. The streams and rivers were dry, and dust filled the air. We also studied that animals were facing a lot of problems. There was no water to drink. There was only dry grass to eat. There was no fresh air to breathe. All the animals had a meeting to solve their problems. They discussed among themselves and decided to go to Skyland to meet the old woman who lived there. Next morning, all the animals started walking towards the Skyland. They followed the shining road that went to the edge of the sea and the high up into the sky. Now, let us find out what happened next. Yes, we have reached Skyland. Look, that must be the house of Sky Woman, said the bird. Sky Woman, are you home? Said the owl. Please help us. We have come from the earth, said the rabbit and the wolf. Then the old woman came out of her house. How can I help you? Asked the old woman. Then the owl said, The earth is very hot and dry. The sun shines brightly all day long. There is no water to drink. Then the other animals said, There is dust all around. There is no cool, fresh air to breathe. There is only dry grass to eat. Can you please help us? Then Sky Woman went into her house and returned with 3 small bags. She gave one bag to Polar Bear, one bag to Owl, and one bag to Rabbit. And then she said, These will help you. Open these bags only after you reach the earth. Then all the animals replied to her, Thank you for helping us, Sky Woman. Now, children, the Sky Woman helped the animals as soon as they came to her. What does this say about her? It means that the old woman was very helpful, kind, and generous. That is why she helped the animals as soon as they came to her. She didn't say that I will not help you or come afterwards. Did she say that? No. She was kind, helpful, and generous. That is why she helped the animals. Understood? Now, after returning to the earth, all the animals gathered around to see what was in the bags. Rabbit opened his bag first. Whoosh! Out of the bag came the winds. The dry grasses and bushes swayed. Leaves flew off the trees. Now, children, tell me, what season does this bag contain? It contained the spring season. Then Owl opened his bag. Out of his bag came rain and fog. The animals sang and danced for joy. Hooray! Now we will have cool water to drink and delicious green grass to eat. Now, which season was this, children? It is rainy season. Very good. Now, children, here you saw a pink word, that is fog. What is the meaning of fog? Fog are small drops of water that comes together as a cloud, which makes it difficult to see. Now in the same page there is another word, that is swayed. Swayed means moved slowly from side to side. Now page number 37. Finally, Polar Bear opened his bag. Out of it came soft white snow that quickly filled the air and covered the ground. From that day, the earth has had 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And ever since, all the earth's animals have had water to drink, food to eat, and air to breathe. Now, children, tell me, were the animals happy after they got the seasons? Yes, they were very happy. Why? Because now they had water to drink, food to eat, and fresh air to breathe. Now, here in this page also you can see a word in pink color, that is autumn. Autumn means it is a season between summer and winter in which fruits and crops become ready to eat and the leaves of these trees falls. Autumn is usually seen in cold places. Now children, with this we have finished the story. Okay? Now turn the page. You can see question number C. Question number A and B will be provided to you as notes. We will do question number C now. You can take your pencil and eraser with you. And now let us start. Complete this table. So there are 3 columns. First is for animals. Second column is what the bag contained. The third column says how it helped the earth. So let us start. First is polar bear. So the bag that polar bear had, what did it contain? It contained some soft white snow. Understood? Now, how did it help the earth? The snow helped the earth by filling the air and covering the ground with snow. Next is owl. What did the bag contain that the owl was having? It contained rain and fog. How did it help the earth? Now there was water to drink and delicious grass to eat. Number 3 is rabbit. The bag that rabbit was carrying, it had wind. It helped the earth by giving fresh air to breathe. It also helped the dry grasses to sway, and also the leaves flew off from the trees. Now, children, with this we end this chapter. I hope you have understood everything that I have taught till now. Thank you, children.